Hi everyone, welcome to Elysian English Linguistics.
Sentence Pattern Part 3. අද sentence pattern එකෙන් අපි කතා කරන්න යන්නේ එදිනදා ජීවිතයේදී අපි කළා එහෙම නැත්නම් මොන හරි දෙයක් වුණා කියලා කොහොමද හරියට ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කියන්නේ කියලා සහ ඒ වගේ වාක්‍යවල කොහොමද ප්‍රශ්න හදන්නේ කළාද වුණාද කියලා ප්‍රශ්න හදන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා. ඉතින් මතකයිනේ අපේ lesson එක කරද්දී no Sinhala only English. Subject with past with 4 types plus 2. In this pattern, we need to use past verbs. So let's take some examples for past verbs. Paid, dreamed, spoke, did, came, pulled. If you can remember, in sentence pattern 2, we use base verbs. When we use base verbs, there were two parts, singular and plural. But here, we have only one form, that is past verb. It is very easy to use. Now we have a clear idea, so we can start making sentences. To make a positive statement or yes sentence, you can simply follow this formula. Subject and past verb. So let's take some examples. We came. Waiters served. Sellers opened. Mom and dad saved. I talked. Okay, now we know how to make positive statements. Let's see how we can make other 3 types. There we go. Positive question. To make positive questions, we want to use did at the beginning. Then the subject and verb in base form. This is different than positive statement. Adding did at the beginning, we give this sentence the sense of past. Then we change the verb form into base. It is very important and remember that. Okay, let's go with some examples. Did you explain that? Did the workers come? Did they pass the exam? Did the people have lunch? Negative statement. Subject plus didn't with base verb. Okay, here are some examples. I didn't do that. Children didn't clean the room. Parents didn't punish us. They didn't see you. Negative question. Didn't at the beginning, then subject and base verb. And remember to put a question mark. Okay, let's take some examples. Didn't you go there? Didn't the policeman catch the thieves? Didn't the kid eat food? Didn't he listen to you? Alright, we have done all the 4 types now. Let's say all together for a better understanding. They went to the bank. Did they go to the bank? They didn't go to the bank. Didn't they go to the bank? After doing all the 4 types, there is something else to do. We can modify the questions using WH question words to make a detailed question. Let's see how we do that. WH positive questions. In the left side, there's the yes question. In the right side, there's the modified WH question. So I'm going to read left to right. Did you see? What did you see? Did she go? Where did she go? Did mom blame? Why did mom blame? Did it bark? Why did it bark? Let's make a move to the next. WH negative questions. So I'm going to read left to right. Didn't you see? What didn't you see? Didn't she go? Where didn't she go? Didn't mom blame? Why didn't mom blame? Didn't it bark? Why didn't it bark? Okay, with this video, we learned how to use past verb in a sentence. And we made all the possible types which we can make with a sentence. Let's see quickly what they are. Positive statements, positive questions. Negative statements, negative questions. And WH positive and negative questions. So, this was a complete lesson and you could learn clearly. Finally, we learned today simple past tense. If you enjoyed the lesson, please subscribe to EEL. See you soon with the next video. Thank you for watching Elysian English Linguistics.